Hello friends, today we are going to introduce a very special gift from Philips, that is Philips Air Fryer, or you can see the Turbo Star Air Fryer by Philips. Today's world, whenever we are going to buy a air fryer, we encounter lot of common mistakes. Most of the time air fryer does need a small amount of oil while using, although they have written no oil. But in this Turbo Star air fryer, absolutely no oil needed. As per Philips, although I am going to try that out, let's see how does it work. As you can see, it have a very good build quality. The each and every portion is made out of good steels, and this design here made due to the hot air which will be flown into the bucket. It will circulate eventually entirely the pocket, or you can say the fryer. It can be detachable. Okay, it's fine, it's very cool. Let's see some other equipments that came in the box. Yes, this is a rask. This basket you have to put into this box, which is you just have to put the clip over here in certain position, like just let me show you how it's done, like this way. Yes, it's now good to go. You just have to put your french fries, chickens within this, and within few minutes you can have oil free and healthy snacks. Whatever you want to eat, it is ready to go, and it will take care of your body health parameter also. No cholesterol. It comes with the booklet is showing that more over 200 of recipes we have. You can check it out sometime, but I am not going to try it. Now let's try some french fries. I'm going to fry them with my beautiful air fryer. Let's see. Oh, it have an inbuilt mode for the frozen foods, like this kind of french fries, like any kind of meatballs you have in your home. You just have to get it out from your fridge and it's ready to go with your air fryer. Let's see, 18 minutes it will take time. No issue, I have enough time. After 10 minutes, oh, it looks awesome. Hopefully it will taste awesome also. Okay, now the countdown has ended. Let's try some fresh french fries with zero oil. I'm just going to serve it. Yes, it's ready to go. You can see it's